favorite is my drink milkshake. And then this is my 1 cup of milk, and then 2 Oreos scoops to 1 ice cream. And
this is where we blend the milkshake.
this is on the blend of milkshake. First, you have to put the 1 milk, and then second you put the ice cream, one scoop of ice cream. Then we put 2 Oreos cookies. We close there, and then we have to close the lid on it. Then we have to press on, and then ready to go.
Lady.
Then you must
I'll help you. You try to stop this one, and then wait, pour it.
and then ready to drink and pour it in.